an F82 BMW M4 GTS prototype has been spy testing a particularly extreme aero kit. This may look like your standard M4 GTS at a first glance, but squint your eyes and you'll notice it's been fitted with a pair of front canards, side skirts, a larger diffuser, a bigger rear wing and a trunklid spoiler extension. The fenders are another area of interest, which feature new top vents and a larger vent sitting just aft of the front wheels. These aero upgrades are definitely functional and have probably increased the coupe's downforce levels by a considerable amount. It's not clear what BMW has planned for this extra hardcore M4 GTS, but it could serve as a final farewell to the F82 M4 before the next generation model arrives in 2020. The M4 GTS features a 493 horsepower version of BMW's 3.0-litre twin-turbocharged inline-six engine with a unique water injection system. If the prototype pictured here ever spawns a production model, we wouldn't be surprised if it featured the same engine, except with a slight power bump. If that were the case, the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission would likely also return. Naturally, a major price increase from $137,000 would also be on the cards. Keep an eye out for an ultra-aggressive GTS-based M4 in coming months.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.